Let's be real. Most of us have a gym membership we barely use. But here's the truth. Unless you're training for a bodybuilding competition, you don't need a gym to build muscle or stay lean. In this video, I'm giving you 7 no-equipment exercises that will help you build real muscle and burn fat right at home. If you're serious about getting stronger without leaving your house, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a weekly workout that actually works. And if you stick around till the end, I'll share a full weekly workout plan to get you results in just 4 weeks. If you want to build a strong upper body without equipment, push-ups are your best friend. Push-ups are one of the most effective bodyweight exercises for upper body strength. They also train your core and build muscular endurance, making them a complete move for both beginners and advanced athletes. This single movement works your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. In fact, a study found that men who could do more than 40 push-ups had a significantly lower risk of heart disease compared to those who could do fewer than 10. To do a push-up properly, start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower your chest until it's just above the floor while keeping your core engaged, and then push back up by activating your chest, arms, and glutes. Once you have the form down, you can explore different variations to target specific muscles. Decline push-ups emphasize your upper chest, while incline push-ups shift the focus to the lower chest. Diamond push-ups challenge your triceps, pike push-ups target your shoulders, and clap push-ups help develop explosive power and speed. If you're aiming for powerful legs and better mobility, squats are the move. Squats are a foundational lower body exercise that targets your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, calves, and even your core. You don't need any equipment to make them effective. According to research, regular squat training leads to increased muscle and tendon strength, improved joint stability, and greater resistance to injury. These adaptations make squats essential for long-term performance and injury prevention. To perform a squat, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Push your hips back as if you're sitting into a chair. Lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the floor, and keep your chest upright and back straight. Then drive through your heels to return to a standing position. As you gain strength, you can add variations like jump squats to build explosive power. Split squats help you develop balance and unilateral leg strength, while sumo squats, with a wider stance and outward-facing toes, target your inner thighs and glutes. Want stronger legs and better balance? Lunges give you both. Lunges are a great way to build strength, balance, and stability while working one leg at a time. They target your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, calves, and core. Lunges are especially useful for correcting muscle imbalances between your left and right sides. A study found that alternating lunges can temporarily boost muscle performance, such as increasing vertical jump height. That makes them an excellent choice for athletes and anyone looking to improve lower body power. To perform a lunge, stand upright and take a step forward with one foot. Lower your hips until both knees form roughly 90-degree angles. Make sure your front thigh is parallel to the ground and your back knee is just above the floor. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. You can vary the movement by doing reverse lunges, which reduce pressure on the knees, walking lunges to build endurance, or jumping lunges to add a cardio element. If you're short on time and want a workout that hits everything, burpees are unbeatable. Burpees are a total body movement that combines strength, cardio, and coordination. They work your chest, shoulders, arms, legs, glutes, and core while raising your heart rate and helping you burn fat quickly. They're especially effective for building endurance and overall conditioning. To do a burpee, start by standing tall. Drop into a squat and place your hands on the floor. Kick your feet back into a push-up position, do one push-up, then jump your feet back in and explode upward into a jump. Land softly and go right into the next rep. If you're a beginner, you can simplify the movement by skipping the push-up or jump. If you're more advanced, try adding tuck jumps or increasing the pace for a greater challenge. Looking to fix posture and wake up sleepy glutes? Glute bridges are your go-to. It's a powerful way to strengthen your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, especially important if you sit for long periods. They're low impact, easy to learn, and extremely effective. By activating your posterior chain, they help improve posture and reduce the risk of back and knee problems. To do a glute bridge, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, about hip width apart. Rest your arms by your sides. Press through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Lower down with control. When you're ready to progress, try single-leg glute bridges to improve balance and stability. You can also elevate your feet to increase range of motion or hold the top position for a few seconds to boost muscle tension. Need a quick way to boost your heart rate and fire up your core? High knees get it done. High knees are a fast, effective cardio move that also strengthens your legs and core. They work your hip flexors, quadriceps, calves, and abs while improving your coordination and endurance. To perform high knees, stand with your feet hip width apart. Begin running in place, lifting your knees as high as you can toward your chest. Keep a fast pace, pump your arms naturally, and stay light on your feet. If you're new to this exercise, start at a moderate speed. To make it harder, increase your pace or add intervals with short sprints. Want a simple move that gets your blood flowing fast? Jumping jacks are a perfect fit. It's a classic full-body movement that raises your heart rate and activates your calves, glutes, quads, shoulders, and core. They're simple, accessible, and ideal for all fitness levels. To perform a jumping jack, begin with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump while spreading your legs and raising your arms overhead. Then jump back to the starting position and repeat. If you're looking for a low-impact option, step out 1 foot at a time instead of jumping. To level up, try adding a squat when you land or speeding up the tempo. In weeks 1 and 2, focus on building consistency and mastering your form. Start every workout day with 1 minute of jumping jacks as a warm-up to get your heart rate up and your body ready to move. On Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, do push-ups, squats, and glute bridges. On Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, move into lunges, high knees, and burpees after your warm-up. Take Sunday off or use it for light activity like walking. In weeks 3 and 4, it's time to increase the intensity. Add more reps or include advanced variations like decline push-ups and jump squats. Combine all 7 exercises into a circuit. Perform each move for 30 to 45 seconds with 15 to 30 seconds of rest and aim for 3 full rounds. And there you have it, 7 powerful exercises you can do at home to build muscle and burn fat. Stick with the plan, stay consistent, and you will start to see real changes in your strength, energy, and overall fitness. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below telling me which exercise you're starting with. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a workout or fitness tip. Thanks for watching.